Let's talk pros and cons with the tank first. Really, for me, the biggest one is I think that they should have shipped it with a mesh coil. They should design a mesh coil for this. Everyone else is doing it. I realize it's kind of a bandwagon thing, but it's also because mesh coils just perform well. They last longer. With these coil heads at a high wattage, you're gonna get 4 to 5 days or so, depending on juice, depending on how much you vape it, all that jazz. But mesh coil heads do last longer. So I'd like to see them design a mesh coil head for this tank. Besides that, it's a simple sub-ohm tank, and it's built really well. The build quality on this tank is nice. It's chunky. I like the drip tip, especially on this gold one. They put metal threading in this plastic cap here, which is a pro. It's just a nice sub-ohm tank. Flavors really, really good. It's what you would expect from a tank like this. It doesn't disappoint.